Okay, well, we've turned the camera on. I don't know that it's going to be light enough to tell what's going on. I mean, the purpose of this is to let you see the update of the construction, and you can't tell what's being done. I may go ahead and video it all the way, then just look at it in the computer, because I can't tell whether it's any good or not, really, until I get these things in the computer. But they have made significant progress. This red light to the left takes you down to the Lowe's. I guess it's a big warehouse logistics center. Section over there looks like it, I don't know, I can't tell from here whether it needs a final cap on it or whether it is complete and they just have to stripe it. And it is 31 degrees. And that intersection we came through back there, that bigger intersection, that was Georgia Highway 53. To the right takes you into Rome, then goes out of Rome over into Alabama. To the left takes you up to Calhoun, then cuts over through whatever little towns. It goes to Jasper, down through Tate, Marble Hill, Dawsonville, Gainesville, Winder, over to Watkinsville, and dead ends. This Georgia 140, it will take you all the way to Jimmy Carter Boulevard. Take you through Canton, well, it goes through Adairsville, goes through Waleska, Canton, down through Cumming, on over through, let's see, Lee's Cumming, goes on down through, I guess, Alpharetta. No, it doesn't go through Cumming. It goes down through the silos at Crabapple from Canton, and then it goes through maybe Alpharetta, Roswell, cuts out east over, and it turns into Jimmy Carter Boulevard. And of course, everybody knows that changes names 2 or 3 times. North Harrison, South Harrison, and dead ends into Evans Mill. Or is it Wesley Chapel? One or the other. From the last video, they've made a lot of progress. Still have a good bit to go though. Sort of reminds me of how long it's taken to get that section between Gainesville and Jefferson on 129. We can see the lights up there of Adairsville. Road down here on the right, if you turn and take it, it'll take you down. You can turn and go to Barnsley Gardens. I do have a quick drive through of Barnsley Gardens also. It'll also take you all the way down into Kingston, dead end into Georgia 293. Road right here, this is old US 41. If you turn right, it'll take you right through the city of Adairsville. This is the new version of US 41. So to the right takes you down into Cartersville, to the left takes you up to Calhoun and on up through Chattanooga. We're going to get over to the left lane because we're going to go into the Waffle House and do a review of this Waffle House here in Adairsville. And from there, y'all will have to join us as we go to a night visit to Buc-ee's. cheaper at Love's, I'll fill up at Love's instead of Buc-ee's. It was $3.15 at Love's the other day and $3.19 at Buc-ee's. And they're building another big, large place there. I don't know if it's going to be what it is, but logistics center or what. But they got their own concrete manufacturing plant out there, and own concrete trucks, all that big equipment. Pretty sure this is exit 306. Can't see around these vehicles. Okay, the Awful Waffle. A review, see if this food's any good. Countertop people said they stopped here last night and said the food was very good.